You know, when you're choosing outdoor furniture, you can see the options are endless. But there are a couple of things that you need to consider when you're thinking about what you want. First of all, do you want a dining room set? Do you want a living room set? What's your budget? What's your style? Take a look at this. This is a good example by Martha Stewart Living. This is cast aluminum. So it's great construction, it's not gonna rust, it's not gonna break down over time. It's got a glass top and it's very decorative if you like that style. Another thing to consider, do I want stationary chairs? Or look at this, do I wanna have a little bit of a swivel? And also, do I wanna have cushions that are made from weather-resistant materials? Now, if you're not into the dining room scene and you wanna create more of a living room scene for your outdoor living space, take a look at this right here. Now, what I like about it is that these pieces are sold individually and it's made to look like real wicker. But this one right here is actually synthetic, so it's not gonna mildew, it's not gonna break down, and it's very attractive. It just depends upon your style, your taste, and also your budget. You can create an outdoor living space that you will definitely be proud of.